not all universities should aspire to be the same thing. One of the problems with rankings is that it does tend to make universities focus on certain aspects of their global mission. This is a mistake. It is possible to be the very best local university at present, but unfortunately there is no objective measure such as rankings to indicate that. I think what's more important is that universities follow their vision and mission for their particular institutions. We should not all aspire to be like Oxford, Cambridge, Harvard, MIT. We should aspire to be the best that we can be within our particular individual mission. And one of the things I think that universities in Russia might begin to think about over the next few years is organizing themselves into sectors. I would suggest that the Hong Kong model is pretty applicable here in Russia, whereby you have a sector which are the research-intensive universities. They would include people like HSE and Ural Federal University, Far Eastern Federal University, those universities that have been selected to be part of the 5100 project. Then another sector, not necessarily subordinate, would be those universities that are professional schools doing applied research. This would be another whole tranche of universities across the Federation that could excel in those areas, producing professionals and producing research that is directly applicable to various industries, government bodies and so on. And then finally, there is also a sector which I would suggest is appropriate here, given the quality of some of the work that comes from these institutions, and that would be liberal arts, the humanities, the arts. And the research outputs here may not be publications, they may be exhibitions, they may be cultural shows, they may be poems, plays, pieces of music, or even, in some cases, software. So I think perhaps the way forward at this stage within the Russian Federation might be to consider sectorization. Failure to do that may lead to the massification of higher education turning into the McDonaldization of higher education, in which case quality would suffer across the board.